Hi friends, I'm Ganesh and I hope you are doing great. Let us get inside the topic straightly. Time. A proverb says time is gold. How many people are understanding time and its effect on financial success and independence? In common, people start to realize it either once they have crossed the most important stages in their life or once get stuck in bad situations from their ignorant decisions. A survey was conducted in 2017 of 455 college students revealed 58% indicated they are not saving anything. 30% indicated their parents taught them nothing about managing money. 51% received no financial education in high school. 43% are not tracking their spending. A 2018 research study was found similar conclusions. A sample of 3050 adult individuals participated in the National Financial Capability Study Survey. The results showed that nearly 1 out of every 3 young adults were found to be financially precarious because they had a poor financial literacy and did not have adequate management skills of their money or stability in their income. Similarly, their counterparts in financially striving category, which composed 10% of the individuals being studied, struggled with a certain management behaviors like credit card usage and budgeting. This group of individuals also put their health at risk by skipping doctor's appointments, health exams, and prescriptions due to financial constraints. 22% of the 18 to 24-year-olds in the study sample were categorized as being financially stable. About 36% of the individuals involved in the study were considered to be financially at risk because they had experienced an unexpected drop in income during the previous 12 months. These individuals reported that they had no savings to cover their living expenses for 3 months if needed. They also lacked the proper resources to come up with $2,000 in case of an accident or emergency. If you want financial independence in this world, what do you have to do? When you closely observe the world around you or study books that are written about successful people, you will find one thing in common. They used time very efficiently. It is a very basic key ingredient to get financial independence. How much time do you need to achieve this? In this world, we all have got the same amount of time. You can't get success with your 24 hours only. You need more time. Only way to achieve this is by borrowing time from others. Is it possible to get more time when you are working for a salary? Not a direct way. But remember, you are living in an era where we humans have invented a tool that is holding the value of time from a financial perspective. This idea was started a few centuries ago. It is called money. That has the potential to provide more time for you. How to make money work for you? You are getting money by giving your time either to work for someone or doing a business. Take a portion of the money as soon as you receive it and invest it. Don't see investments as just money. They are directly related to time. It is a tool that will help you to reduce your working years and have the power to bring more and more money to you without you actually doing any work. You spend your valuable time to earn money. Now invest that money to save your time and grow faster to achieve your financial success. Is there any limitation for investments to work? Yes. Consider your investments are like a mango trees. In a year, a mango tree provides only certain number of fruits. You can't expect it to provide fruits for the entire year. So the simple way is to plant more trees to get more fruits for your yearly needs. Same way you need to invest regularly to generate a consistent cash flow to fulfill all your needs. Also, you need to keep an eye to make sure your investments are safe and working as expected. If not, take action and fix that. What is considered as investment? Anything you purchase that grows in value and also gives a cash flow to you while you hold, then it is considered to be investment, such as real estate, stocks, skill development, business, etc. I have already posted a lot of videos about the investing strategies. Please watch them to learn about those simple and powerful techniques. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for receiving updates about the future videos I upload. I hope this video was very useful to you. If you are serious about time and financial independence, then this content may trigger you to take the next action, and that will fulfill the purpose of this video. If not, no worries. I hope you got to enjoy watching this video. Please share this video to your family and friends to whom you think it might be very useful. Thank you for spending your valuable time. Also leave your valuable comments below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. The blue color like buttons are fuel for the YouTube algorithm. Also, it motivates me. See you all soon in another wonderful video. Until then, have a wonderful day and take care. Love you all and stay safe. Thank you for watching.